The sudden onset of cold weather had silenced nature. Birds had abandoned their nests, leaving only empty nests and abandoned eggs in the trees. The man encountered this scene in the forest where he went for a walk. He carefully checked the nests in the hollows of the trees. Some nests contained broken eggs, while others still had intact eggs. This situation stirred compassion in him. He examined the nests and managed to find 3 intact eggs. He decided to save them and give them a chance to live. He carefully put the eggs in an old mask in his pocket and carried them home. Hoping that perhaps a bird might hatch from them, he decided to prepare an incubator for them. At home, he placed moist corn granules in a small glass jar and carefully placed the eggs on this soft bed. He covered the eggs with a soft towel and placed the jar on a hot radiator. For days, he waited patiently by the eggs. He carefully turned the eggs 4 to 5 times every day and watched their development. As he checked the eggs one by one, he noticed that in the 3rd egg, the veins were visible and a heartbeat was beating. This revived hope in him. He paid more attention to the egg that showed signs of life and continued to wait patiently. When the moment came, the baby bird hatched out of the egg between the man's hands. The man watched with bated breath as this tiny miracle emerged from the egg. He worked patiently to raise the newborn bird. He prepared a proper diet for it and carefully monitored every moment. He took videos every day to record the baby bird's growing process. It was both a keepsake and a way to watch its development. Over time, the bird grew stronger and began to grow feathers. From an abandoned egg, the tiny creature grew up surrounded by love. Over time, its feathers developed magnificent colors, making it dazzlingly beautiful. Although he dreamed of the day his friend could fly freely, he knew it might not survive in the wild. It had become strong enough to fly, but it was still not released into the wilderness. Their bond grew into one of the deepest friendships a human and an animal could share. He provided it with a loving home where it could fly freely and safely. This friendship, born from the compassion of a human and the delicate wings of a tiny creature, proved that a return to life is possible even in seemingly impossible moments. I wish that the new year will be a year where, just like in this story, seemingly impossible hopes take root, and new beginnings that bring you happiness become a reality. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to stay updated with new stories.